Hello friends, in this video we will perform some more programs by using arithmetic operators. So let's start with average of three numbers. How to compute the average of three numbers? So if you want to perform average, for this we have to add three numbers, that is n1, n2 or n3, and divide it by the number of terms, that is 3. So when you perform this calculation, it will calculate your average and is stored in variable avg. So first receive the input from user for variable n1, n2 or n3. So by using input function, we can we can input some value for variable n1, enter value for n1 /t for horizontal space. Now convert this string value into numeric value in integer. Same statement for variable n2. Enter value for n2, then give some space by using /t. Enter value for n3. So here is your input, then processing and output. Now I want to display average by using print function. So use print statement and print your result from variable avg. Save your file. Enter value for n1, that is 45, 67 and 67. So you can see the average of these three numbers, 59.66 something. You can also add some text message. Average of three numbers. You can also use eval function in place of int. Eval function is used to evaluate the expression. So it will works same as integer or float value. Now for next program, write a program to compute the simple interest. How to compute simple interest? The formula is simple interest equals to principal amount multiplied by rate multiplied by time and divided by 100. That is simple interest. So I want to perform this task. So first is input. Input the value for principal amount. Input enter value for principal amount for rate, input, enter value for rate, and for time. So here is my input and here is my processing. Now I want to display my result by using print function. So my result is in variable si. First receive the value for variable p, r and t, then compute these three variables and calculate this expression and store the value in variable si, then print it. Let's check the result. My principal amount is 1000 and rate is 5%, time is for 2 years. So my simple interest is rupees 100. So just try these programs. In the next video we will do some more practical. Thank you for watching.